Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is Amazon product listings. With millions of sellers on Amazon, standing out is crucial, and that's where you come in. As an Amazon listing expert, you'll create compelling product titles, descriptions, and images that drive sales. Start by learning the basics of Amazon SEO and keyword research. Many sellers pay $50 to $200 per listing, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding the product and its target audience. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to Amazon sellers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Next is voiceover work. From commercials to audiobooks, there's a growing demand for talented voices. If you have a clear and engaging voice, this skill is perfect for you. Start by practicing your delivery and investing in a good microphone. Many clients pay $50 to $300 per project, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, create a demo reel and showcase your work on platforms like voices.com or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to exciting opportunities in the media industry. Third is social media graphics. Every business needs eye-catching visuals to stand out on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per graphic, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or by reaching out to small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is e-commerce management. Many entrepreneurs need help managing their online stores, and that's where you come in. As an e-commerce manager, you'll handle tasks like inventory management, order processing, and customer service. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Many clients pay $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on the scope of the work. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Finally, let's talk about invitation design. From weddings to corporate events, beautifully designed invitations are always in demand. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per design, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating unique and personalized designs. You can sell your services on platforms like Etsy or by networking with event planners. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose Amazon product listings, voiceover work, social media graphics, e-commerce management, or invitation design, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.